You're Odike. I don't pay Bibi Aboko.
Uba. Ya sorry ya madaruma. Mama baby say ya metrani ya sumuni.
Bibi ya kama.
Ghana ntini wa.
Nice. Ye ni komoda and then pese ya bosso kakra bi wo US for na release details of bribery a course so abra Ghana ne Turkish power company from AXA abra na dum so was ro Ghana ye pese dum so na no na mpanyimfo bi so hye akire a omo make sika power plant ba kwa ye de ba ha na ura ye fe no Asante kwaku Asante Berko she say ne ho asem abeto bia ya convicted in the US aka sentencing yes we to bribe in over $1 million now we release the first batch at the aba say net here and we team 5 sika ye tua ya ansa na ye this power badge na banana power plant no bribes that went out to Ghanaian officials $500,000 first bribe wire April 2015 invoice number 1 Turkey to Ghana via New York. The second bribe was $1.5 million May 2015 invoice number 2 the same day the senior official signed the deal. Edana a signed deal no near to $1.5 million. The third bribe no $5,000 each paid to about 5 officials flown to Turkey to inspect the equipment on top of flight and hotel. Yebukio mbibia ne samo obia 5,000 cedis so mo ko inspect power plant no. The fourth bribe no ye $140,000 a later reimbursement settlement wire when a specific charge in the counter no openyi bi na Appiagyei. The itemized bribe list no ensu enie 2015 August Public Utilities Regulator PRC panyin ba ko ho ono a obeboa ma bibia atotomu wo regulation wo plant no ono je $20,000. A named Ghanaian official $10,000. Ministry of Power girls at the Ministry of Power. Yes, here the way they sort of girls from Ministry of Power on so no money more bribe on the $20,000. Power teams I no money no so mu TS kana and also $25,000. Grid co-engineers omo be install a plant na omo adwuma eti omo ka no omo so je $20,000. Parliament of Ghana members omo boa ma ye pass say ye kofa power plant in mra no $30,000 and ye tua and no omo tu ni $30,000 ye timi hu say ye each nti owura no be kirem anasa omo nyina de omo nye $30,000 and each ye say parliament and the Asante na de betua oba Ghana betua cash. Travel visa for the trip to Turkey ni nyina ko see $45,000 to $50,000. David Asante personal ono an account mu no ye did $35,000 and a to ono an account mu ne cut eno no email no ended with kindly perform your magic. Your man list ni say yes, kindly perform your magic, and the recipient was described as waiting for the holy rain. Omo try say e betu tom
sense you to
make it rain solo mama sha say free ho na memra Odike o
obama me da say be chia wa hefo achie Odike and obi biara wo tie bia we dey say kenye asem foforo di wo mo dey say Nkrumah aye wono ye ni tia say ye parliamentarians wo mo wo ministries public service omunyina bribe ton man na so say bribe je yesuma se dwanti no okwa yes de kofa de evidence zebra and di basara na wasema de aka ana me ho se Nkrumah no abra ye be ko problem mu bia na nkofo fa ho edi buye mo obeka covid a buy no mkofa video BBC eponom de buya fimfram
na ya hwe mawe
ye omo hwe kra say nipa dibi no dodo nyina dibi afane afa nyina ho omo nyina dibi enti we die na esie Ghana fo kwa hunyehie mu a ye desu mu a emfifire tie no ana mu take advantage of it It's as a sad time, no. You know, be a can say, yet you can't yan any day, yepe. Jemma and go for no soon says a canyon, I'm open, yeah. Yes, you be first way a day, Eddie Muja. Court in 29 page ruling.
Court to the
Court to the
okay.
From the US. Now, can ya ask if Mario say, you go for the M. Yakras say cheap. I'm a very cheap.
You can't would inquire.
Oh, I am cheap. And that is why my name say, Ubia Ban Moa. Was on my to me, Debia man on the phone, the bombs gun at the pub, a gun of one anchors a gun and wedo. One of the two almost say, yeah, for pop. Now, maybe if it's America for not, you know, my, you know, and this a Ghana government man, okay. Because that may be relevant provision be. The Omo Kenyan say, Sad Mediana, Kwakwa Asante Berko be dieno.
Yeah.
A benefit on Kwakwa Asante Berko. A benefited the US financial institution and a benefited the Turkish energy company. And until the Ghana government also, yes, also, you take on the US and they say, more says, yeah, more mama say, Chrono because so. Now, indeed, look at AXA. A boy no more Toma Ghana by na Sampa. Bribe no betray any yedma because no more kilowatts no more de gen, never wedding yepa.
Until I say, Chia bribe the
Ebefem. Not say, ya mountain memo for a month for na bre. Esanse Obiagyei sika a day, a good bottom. So America for no bedino cradia. Not some person who's a no cranium, but moya no quaffua. Any other mummy in Antiras and calculate. Buna mubu and the beton so a gun and Zutia and Amo companies in a your free mono. Moncasa quapano coffee, ye do no cray, ye says Kyei Brem. But I wouldn't go to Magana, young beneficiary. Chessia might establish there is a crime.
Yeah.
Because, sir, your friend is a Axei. Axanan Casano, I take his energy company. No, America, sir, you were a Goldman Sachs. No, I was 16% stake. I was our company.
Okay.
And it profit be a core AXA hono. A be benefit American institution.
Right.
Now, all got to be cannot must transfer. And then one for to grab a
Chinese can
also must do a sicabre. Yakeka boom. Na ye day. Recover Sikano. Na me parliament the Nyamingwa. Now in Nkrumah. Ana Appiagyei. Any chamber sabe catcher sabra ye can say ye two. Your friend is a can offer free sono. Ye nya businessman be our tamsika pudio.
Yes.
A course or they call bribe parliamentarians last several why day or mochaso. Ye can say Appiagyei ni chamber say Monday ya dum. Na mumubodi besine businessman want to be ambodi anche say no omuka corruption wasem mintie esa say what me nya akukudra ka say ampa businessman bi de your friend say sika buy ani on pese e beti na wunya akukudra obebodi ni dia ani membe kakura obeka kire wie na OSP frame say mumbebodi a wo so OSP edmo ekoye chemical interrogation kura no a mon kan kire ura visa mahama yare ganso accuse your friend say Boache Jaku. Abra no all vetting.
Yes, so Momusika.
Say Momusika Meruzube. Hey, not just say Parliament now. I don't know bribe taking institution according to Saddick.
I would have PSO. WW
FSO another.
Odobin Black former
Appiagyei. Akaso mu jijiska SCX. Yeah, Baba see a die wa.
STX. PC Appiagyei. PC or
what I say?
Oh, we are sure.
What I say?
Sir.
Oh, Ghana Telecom say nyina no.
Oh, jiska.
Enu nti hwe, enu na ma man nkoso because effective parliament. The emfa ho ne the executive no beye. Ombetumi abo ato agusanye papa. Na se mo ahwenyame ni makwa akogye sika chinchiri de yi a na ye de fahin. Eno tumi abrantie no de waye no de yesu ni ne ban ana wo capitalize ye ana de ba because America for no man adwumadie no. Om ka tren say on fa kwan bia so obetumi win business ama Goldman Sachs. Na wo se me fa kwan bia betumi nya business ama Goldman Sachs. Na me so be hu se me nkofo ye o Ghana hai One on the cabro for Montiasie. What you are ministry be Obama, Ako come when you to so good genuine business proposal. Oba canning in our church and what was so bonny to go the years in the crack say. The crack say no, Patricia say. Sikabe na wode tu nsem na wo kasa asem na wo kare de enya sempa wo de ohia yesika cat and it kromwa business proposals papa bia bedru ha na assign ko na we yade chechero man enti Patricia say attorney general ne say omu som
yes
na say omu som no me okay report na I think say we face challenges esan say e wo say Asante Berko no etumi kire report the bribe no yede e ma no emails a omo capture wo court nyina no emails no ba ku pay da government official bi email live bi quite was in regards to sigao no ka kire ne say ever since I signed emergency power agreement no me hu say more serious. But say assume na obenten energy sika no e wo say Asante Berko de tumi ko kire say me ma we bi e be twi kra ba say because I'm going to two consulting companies, Nkrumah consulting company 1, consulting company 2. And you know me say consulting company 2 no, raise invoice. Now the ama Turkish company no, not Turkish company no, so almost consulting company 1. I say a subsidiary of the AXA group no. No man why Sika said you already have a rented die and already rented car and now be just canwa. No almost transfer by consulting company 2 no. Consulting company 2 na oni enua Berko mo na Berko so on no transfer sika na cash no aka say u trace dia go hu wo mo a na eje ono yi ni fiscal cash no dia kwa koma obia say eye no kra say sika na oyi en kra no ko ba so masi ana say obente no it's a matter another matter na we say confirm so de kwabna don ko ye nua ye papa ye brother kwabna don ko picture ba o kan adia no strictly o dwin ka say ye kwabna don ko na no mo refer
okay
because I'm say a senior government official one no or a senior advisor to the Ministry of Power
okay
say minister na be bondi nti omo a e kwota angle no so no omo hwe ba de wo mu nyina se nkofo aton ye se say de bia omo ton ye no e na me no ka say obi ton ye oni ministry because kakra odi be hye di botom nti e wo se Ghana fo nyina e ye dey e sofa e be sere se Berko ye 10th November ana ye be ma 30 ana 40 ana 15 de obeji bia ye ba de ba ko obetumi de ja Ghana amana boa ye nyina ne se obeye adum danko abo omu nyina din na obodin a ye betwro di won kwanwani se akwapa no kofo wo chihye obotom you see Obama bi di twatwo na Odike bem no ene 1 million na problem uti ohwe court yina beyond this no Berko ne Turkish guy bi e ka say ye ni ewidi contract ne manwa business na kan ye o share sum and every year be a variable depending on the price per kilowatt and I say a year more time Ghana government you know and a better come beji it's not initially no many 25 million a year and a Turkish company say no you be bre and no munyina ko share wo London and no mutia say pam no twa no e kwanje srodo ye nya ne variable ye ne say ye contract baako na ye hu se sika se ne de beba mo and nti Berko ne na associate ene wo mo ane wo munyina no o mo charge $42 million. Hey, this is what the issue is. And yeah, about 1 million is a chicken change. $42 million are capture. Etia no Berko ne no mo wa onyi nyina no be ye ne Ghana ye to power ne boa de no Berko ne associate they are enjoying.
Details of the bribes are a cause so Ghana abra dey suffer doom so pa
na nkofo yeyi
na manfo yeyi chese o man na abra ho kire beba bia chama Odike solo de awuram ame ho AXA energy scandal no and sika na ye involved consortium say ye sika ni disa
Ghana unim say asem we aye ken nya de foforo obia ni tua say contract bia beba Ghana ha no free executive co parliament co mo ebeye ho kratasem na me kire efro say judiciary ubetie no no omo de omo sa akwa tetare ho $42 million here so low ken senka kilowatt ne beba bia 1 cedi a ena $42 million na omo de wusu nte be ko bia 1 cedi 50 pesos na ya spread ama ordinary Ghanaian na yetua na ekoba sa na power issues ye de power yen industries ene eniema ebe create jobs ama mebunu na nya bia ye no na nyina akoye boachi bedin minua Ghana your constitution ne your model of governance architecture no ebuama corruption koso. We are living in a corruption environment per constitution you use no any the leadership architecture yafa yede ye adwuma no eti upe o Ghana anko ade corruption and its related issues no ebi enam waboboa no eye say US for akasa asemwe na sika akowuram US adia omum nya ade wo ho amempe te say sika bi ekodi wo mukrom wa esaba na china yedene na ke ura kenufuri ata America fo amuna mo se mo de corruption mo so ene wa be ka wo mukrom so de ne ba wo so de ne ba wo wa be ka wo mo protect ne den entino sa papa be bodin na enya kwan hu enkofo a mo kan ho a ebebo ama Ghana government obeso ye hu bibia waye yewura mama asemwe de se de MPP for ko wa no wadaruma de obetima ya ebetimi ehu nkrofo a omuso bo mu de mi yakra ya na etwa mi sum ye parliamentarians
the chow
both sides too.
Why this Ghana show wo and yakra o de ama Ghana parliament me nyi wo mu ni ba kokra na me mfa madwene ko mo activities because at the end of the day no the oversight responsibility yes say mo be hwa ma pepepe ye ne corruption ene won ye ma ye no se mo akra mo ye mailed in it dia o man ye kwaya na ye ba we ko judiciary the same thing executive the same thing it want to say ye the union government concept we be aduma we no any China e say no e ben China sa ensamfu we nyina enkoso ho we sakata we ayam crofobia hi so Odike kra na dia ba because we mo benefited from the rot no we mo pebuku ani matie kra because ensakraya e ba ma maburu no enya nidaso no any say your leadership architecture no ye besesa no na the constitutional review dom de ba na enam ho kra wo mo sa kotetare ho ana pa 5 at the your friend saying this level
ni akoto so aba e de yawra mama to nya DC 45 no be yi wo ni akoto aba yi NDC ba ko we na ase no katia no kai o say akrofo du nso mko yi krofo pen sa pepe na ba happen o nyansa bia nim o me aka no kran champion fo no say do mama be yi di pa 5 say enkoto um so aba
la say that is kwesikoso jira
kwesikoso no jan kwantia e ko review ba na mo ye
o nya district assembly ho ne da president
and that ka aye wo mo unim omu ya the beck and call of the executive so share the review na me makan eniema wo nyina ya niema sila executive no be hold a chunk of power
and also the person you do away with
it is a constitutional review for no me case su dua someone the need for you be take against it
so mba betu tell me implementation
and I don't see kasa wa me say wo mu panyin no e friend say
wa kosa
HPMB
wa be kasa
Saddick
egofo bi keka the politics
that
they say eduma ma ya na say papa eduma no le cheyen na ka so ko ya de wi na say ya ni nyi hwana ya trans ya atum eduma na mu ya mo anya ni yo me ka che mu pen constitutional review it is a kwadwo no gyan kwantia bibi bie no ya kapo ministers at 60 can you imagine
that's 15 20
Constitution is there shall be 19 cabinet ministers.
When the cabinet minister, minister, a good year. What I say, as Graciane, institutions parties and Abuamia, Umatimaya, Mapa Pebia. Now we're near Kwanaya.
Okay.
Eti, Oba, until say, you never get to say, you're from Kwano. Go your phone. Now you're the need for. And but what I owed you, Muno. All men are benefited from the rot.
Yeah.
A common system. Leaders work on it. Okay. But me say, a best say, the Benyantias, yes, say, Ghana for Mebru deserve better. And penny for the Mubabiano, you tell me what politics in ya Marcia be pescao, ye basse, ye be hold more. I did media mamma accountable.
Okay.
No, but the medical cattle, say, Brambio. Who knows a Berko or Ekuonaba appointed a quarter.
After when you know,
and this and the Juba dear say, oh, my bribe and son with me up as here. Asem sebe. So, answer a year man at all. O chair would do you.
I will Musa solo.
What's the Jumadi when you see 2014 to 2017?
Yes, that's all.
But none of Kufadu are well said.
Oh, yes.
Send me.
No, almost at investigation 2016. Because the okay, you were here. Red flag read the car by 2016.
Okay.
And I said, media America for a year in Iran, American buy a collaborative.
Now they are appointing in 20.
And no idea, me, you know, say. So, say, you get to say, Berko, already or buy her or be more bribe.
Yeah, sorry.
And to the bribe and the budgets are contract. Energy.
I did due diligence.
Aha!
It was time said, Median command.
No near seminal. So, Otuesicana. I and your mouse to Nanado, what did the Bonnie Coffee?
Not an I want another Dean Bonnie. Corruption is under John Mahama one.
I don't know what's a promote.
What promote you know?
Anybody, yes, when Yenipa was a fatter. Now, some one. Now, I'm going to
Abia Nana appointment, not on your way.
I am great dangerous. Now,
the woman. Obia
or resign.
Or resign from where?
A bar say, and Yaban half a day. I buy no baby good no more catches a patcho. What you tell? Satan no more chance here, beton toy, beton. So no buy go be who told no there could be you. That what your money the Tony. Church, I say. Energy, Yama appointed authority no, Yamunya due diligence.
Okay.
Na Mumesica bribe Gianon conform Kakra. Na Yen can be a poo.
Every Pubia will come out for one office.
Puriono.
40 something $1,000.
Doors of
yes, former
Mehono, or the corner office in the private office. Yes, Mehono.
What I say? Oh, I don't know retaining Nejuma.
Now they are no crown walking. Yeah, 2 about where just so. Na MP for Quada so 8 years cash envelope. By election, no, I try just what track from a tech junction. I could do just so at the Akoma Electoral Commission say, may they mount breakfast. Yeah, to a banana.
Bribe on the bedding.
Obama. Oh, bribery and corruption. Yeah, now most cases you are limiting it to Sika. And you eh, and Maya Mukope, my famo flower mumma, cum you numians, and Maya Peduma. What you are not doing, China? Way, we better my head, my own kind, and Tia Famana, you sooner. The Pessia and ye. Ebina, over there for could look at Japon war. Why MPP will say, Omotawa, Yakufa Pessoyan, Ontimine, and Pamopam, so go for the Timmy, also.
I be
The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it.